In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark or logo to a video using Clipchamp. It's a straightforward and efficient process taking around 5 minutes, which is perfect if you want to quickly brand your media content. To begin, you'll want to go to your browser and type in clipchamp.com. Once you're there, if you already have an account, you can click on sign in at the top right corner of the page. If you don't, you may want to sign up or log in using an existing service. Here, I'm going to use the continue with Microsoft option. Just click it and you'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account. This will redirect you to the Clipchamp homepage once you're logged in. Next, we're heading to the main dashboard. You'll want to look for the create a new video option and give that a click. This is where your video editing journey begins. From here, you'll see the option to import media. This step is crucial as you'll need to upload the video file you want to add a watermark or logo to. Choose your file from your computer and once uploaded, drag and drop it onto the timeline below. This process makes it easier to manage and edit your video clips collectively. With your video in place, it's time to focus on the watermark. Choose import media once more and upload the image file of your watermark or logo. When it's uploaded, you can drag this onto the video track in your timeline. At this point, adjusting the watermark for optimal placement is key. Click on the watermark in the timeline and you'll be able to resize and move it around the viewing screen until it's just where you want it. You can now get creative with your watermark by clicking on adjust colors. This will allow you to make alterations to the opacity, brightness, and even contrast, ensuring that your logo blends seamlessly into your video without compromising visibility or professionalism. Make these adjustments carefully and don't forget that small changes can have a big impact. After fine-tuning your watermark, it's almost time to complete the process. Do a final check by previewing your video. This lets you make sure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. If adjustments are needed, feel free to make them now. Lastly, when you're satisfied with how your video looks, it's time to export it. Click on export, choose your preferred resolution and format and save your video. The process of adding a watermark or logo is now complete and your video is ready to be shared. By following these steps, you ensure that your media is not only branded but also looks professional and polished. Enjoy showcasing your enhanced content.